Guys, we're in Slush Puppies! And they matched my trousers. Hello.
Because we're adults.
Look, have you seen that? I haven't seen it in ages. Woo! Amazing.
Mine's like dying, there's loads in it. It's just I drunk all the liquid, I've got a little slush left. What are you doing it to this stage?
So yeah, we're just coming back from the shop. It's a long walk. And you're going back to my mum's. What are you doing behind? What's he doing behind me? I'll watch you later. And then punish him. La, 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 la. See? I can actually do it.
Yeah.
Because mine's a phone.
Just filming her now.
I like to film her. Anyway. It's really cold. This is not the weather. The weather's really hot. Really hot. That was disgusting! I should pour this on your head.
Ah, stuck. Sold by Benny.
Sold by gay people.
The woman in that car looked like a man.
She was a man.
Right, you then?
Yeah.
You giant penis. You dropped a bit.
Goes back and eats it.
My brain's starting to fart a little bit. My goodness, well, extra warmth.
Extra protection.
Aha.
Yeah, it doesn't work.
Extra
If
protection
you
is
put two on.
wetsuit.
No, it doesn't work.
Doesn't it?
It doesn't work.
Oh well. Just get an extra thick one. What most people do to make something a bit less cold, put paper around it. If you put paper around it, that usually works. I'm joking, don't put paper around it. Paper cuts.
Yeah, I was just about to say that.
But look how adult I am. I have a surprising Kinder.
I want one now.
I have two, you can have one if you want.
No, it's okay.
No, I'm sure you can have one, I just want the toy.
But I want the toy.
Buy one tomorrow.
Okay.
I forgot. There's a bit of plastic in the middle of these, which
The egg goes first.
Look.
What? It's a little toy car. I really want it.
It's connected. Oh, my toy car.
I don't want it. I don't want it. I want it to.
Oh.
And smell these pretty flowers. Sorry, it's fun. I actually want it. Amazing.
Look at all the ones you can get.
Get it.
Oh my god, it's one of them. It's one of those pull back things and you do it. Look at all the ones you can collect, Zoe. Audience, look at the collection. Collect them all and win a
I want the
prize.
red one. No, I want that one.
The purple one.
But it looks so cool.
I want the big purple one too. I'm going to put this in here and I'm going to put my little car in this little house. Put him in my pocket. I'm going to get out my other one.
Smell the bush.
What if some of them have hay fever?
Like me?
Yeah, what if they have hay fever? Some of your audience and they haven't taken any pills.
Well, let's screw them, use a tissue.
It's so horrible to your audience, isn't it? Ah! Oh, it's a bit.
Oh, no. Oh.
Another one.
You got chocolate on my audience. Sorry guys, he's a pig. Point made.
Oh. No. We've been playing Portal 2.
Woo! Ah yes, I bought Portal 2 yesterday because I finished Portal the other day and it was awesome. So I thought I would get. Oh my god. Amazing. But yeah, so we've been playing Portal 2, it's been pretty fun. He's been hogging it the whole time.
I haven't been hogging it.
You were like figuring out all the things by yourself.
Yeah, it's because I'm just too good for you.
No, you're not, because you keep watching all the Let's Plays. It's
I
cheating.
haven't watched any Let's Plays.
Yes, you have. Yes.
I watched.
You told me.
I saw Let's Play Portal 1.
No.
I'm watching the Yogscast play a couple with Portal. So, yeah, fine. I've watched the Yogscast through the whole Portal 2 multiplayer.
Must get pollen. Must. Anyway.
I only watched the Yogscast.
Oh my god, there are so many bees.
Bumbly. I'm gonna kill him.
He skips like a gay man, doesn't he? And he walks like one as well. Look at his little butt. He has no butt. You have no butt. Oh, don't do that.
Choking, not breathing. La la la. Hello, man. Hello, man.
You didn't wave to him, did you?
No.
Good. He looks really creepy.
Yeah, I didn't wave to that man. Look at people in here have gills, bro. Gillies, bro.
My friend's name is Gillies. Last name.
That's his road. His family's road. Pardon you, audience.
That was very piggish of you.
Thank you. Not like you do it like every fucking day.
No.
Well, that every day we had on the fucking table at your mum's house, like. That's what you do. What?
I stepped on that and it stood with me for like 3 steps.
Oh, it wanted to be your friend, but no.
It doesn't blow anymore.
Alright, because I ate some Kinder Surprise. It's your birthday. I'm a bird, motherfucker. I'm a bird. I'm a bird, motherfucker. I'm a bird.
And he's a dog.
Yep. And he's a whopper. That's what I can hear from you. So how long has this video been going on for, do you think? Let's have a look.
Anyway, must be going very long. Sniff smells good. Anyway, see you tomorrow.
Bye bye.
Or later.